Hello everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to make a chess or checkers table in Minecraft. So what you're going to need is a block of quartz, a chainmail helmet, an armor stand, just put that on, armor stand, a piston, and a redstone torch. So what you're going to do first is going to place your, also you're going to need a command block, /give at s. If you get a command block and you make it with arms, it comes out straighter. Command block. So you want to dig a hole in the ground, put your command block, type exactly what I'm typing. Hold on. You have to make sure that nothing is red. Now you're going to do always active, done. Then you get this armor stand with arms. Break the command block. Oh no. Hold on. Let me do this one more time. Okay, now, hold on. Just get a grass block in case that happens. Okay, now, put the chainmail helmet on. The chainmail block of quartz, covered up. Put 2 here. Break this one. Put not a sticky piston, but just a regular piston. No, redstone torch. Now, if you see that gone out, break everything, and you'll get this. But here's something really cool. If you dig down, then you do that. It'll go away. But did you see that the armor stand was black? It was really cool. That's how you make your chess or checkers table. Bye.